Welcome to Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today I'm walking you around our epic sound system for the Lamborghini Aventador. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below and it'll keep you up to date with all of our latest videos. On that guys, let's get started. So obviously an absolutely amazing vehicle. One thing that lets this car down though is the sound system. So if you own one of these, the reason why you're watching this video is because you're let down by the sound system in your vehicle or the functionality of not being able to have Bluetooth streaming. So we've upgraded all of that as well as some extras on the car. So I'll be running through everything with you today. In terms of what this customer was after was a bit more bass as well as more clarity and adding Bluetooth streaming. So we've achieved all of that. So what we've got is a stock look front end. So we've got the tweeted in factory location. We've got the 6.5-inch woofers in factory location in the doors. However, behind the two seats, we've added in a custom build of two 8-inch Audison Prima subs mounted directly behind each seat in a bespokely fabricated box, as well as the fact we've incorporated the Lamborghini logo into the build as well. So every single one of our systems is completely bespoke. However, on our website, you can go on there and select an option that will basically look near enough identical to this. And what it means is that you can opt into that solution. However, if you want something completely bespoke, book an audio consultation with us, or if you want to go through everything in more detail, book that consultation. We'll sit down with you and I'll go through everything in more detail. You can have a listen to our demo car and I'll run you through every single option available for your Lamborghini. In terms of system, what we've got is an Audison Voce front end. So we've got the Audison Voce AV 1.1 tweeters, stock location, and they're actually in a 3D printed housing that basically allows it to sit into factory location inch perfectly. So that's all designed, spec'd, and then installed in-house. Then what we've got is a custom speakering housing the Audison Voce 6.5-inch woofer in the driver door. We've also acoustically treated the door card by using something called skin soundproofing. So not only do you reduce the resonation that you're getting inside that door card, you're getting rid of it and eliminating a lot of the road noise that you get from the car, as well as the fact it's building a better acoustic environment for your speakers to work in. So that's all the work done basically on the front end. What we've also done is added in Bluetooth streaming. The way we've done that is using a Audison Forza amplifier, using an optical connector into that and running a Bluetooth streaming device in. So you can literally connect up your phone and stream straight through your new epic sound system. In terms of the rear box, that's where a lot of the time's been spent and a lot of the hard work comes in. That's completely bespokely fabricated in-house. So what we've got is two 8-inch Audison Prima subs, one directly behind each seat. However, all you can see when the seats are back and looking into the vehicle is Alcantara and then a Lamborghini logo embossed into that as well. So not only is this bespokely fabricated in-house, time, effort and detail has gone in to designing, speccing and then installing this system. So all of our work gets carried out here in Cambridge. So if you are based further afield, you have a couple of different options. A lot of people will load their car over to us like this customer did. However, he's collecting the car tomorrow. I'm sure he's going to be over the moon with the finished product. It sounds absolutely epic. We've DSP'd and tuned this system to high heaven. It sounds absolutely epic, as well as the fact he's going to be over the moon with finished products and the immense detail that we've gone into on this install. Another thing that this customer was after was adding a bit of lighting into the engine bay area. So what we've done is a white constant light controlled off a little rocker switch. So it's on at the moment, and what I mean is the vehicle's off, so it's on a permanent feed. So you can have that on while the vehicle's parked up. It's very low draw. Basically, you've got a little bit of lighting, just emphasizing the engine bay. It looks and sets the car off immensely well. So that's a little upgrade that we've carried out alongside doing this upgrade, but we've got loads of other lighting solutions that we do for Lamborghinis, so you check out those videos as well. But mostly we're talking about the sound today. So it's an epic transformation. So not only have you got two 8-inch subs added to the vehicle, where most people just think it's not possible to be done, as well as the fact it blends in so perfectly with the vehicle, we can also do some different options. So when you have your audio consultation, we'll sit down with you and go through everything in more detail. But hopefully you've enjoyed the video and you've seen exactly what's possible when you have your car worked on by ourselves here at Cambridge Car Audio. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. You've seen the epic transformation of the sound system that we've carried out on this Lamborghini Aventador. If you're interested in something like this, drop us a line. All our links are below, but the best thing you guys do, keep up to date with all our future videos, hit that subscribe button. But other than that, guys, thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you soon.